Hey there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial for how to play along with the play along of The Gambler by Kenny Rogers. Just found out as I'm filming this today that Kenny Rogers passed away, and he had a couple really famous songs, Islands in the Stream, which I might do later, but also The Gambler. Again, content here may not be appropriate for schools, so just keep that in mind if you're a teacher. But then again, there was even a Muppet Show version of this. I need to go back and look to see if they took out the thing about the drinking and the smoking. But anyway, in this video, we're going to look at the chords that you need for GCEA ukulele, the chords you need for DGBE ukulele, and then just a little bit about the strumming. Just want to remind you that this channel does have a collaboration with ukestuff.info. So if you want to see the chord chart that's used in this song, you can pull it up at ukestuff.info, and there's also a link in the description below. Let's take a look at the chords that you need for GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this Glary UC205 ukulele. It's a soprano that I was sent to review, but it had some permanent flaws. I was able to fix them. If you're interested in that, you can check out the video that I made recently about repairing a Glary UC205 instrument. On soprano, concert, or tenor, these are the chords that you're going to need. You're going to need the D chord, the G chord, and the A chord. And those are the only chords you need on GCEA ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using my mainland baritone ukulele, cedar top, rosewood back and sides. So the first chord you'll need is the D chord, then the G chord, and then the A chord. And those are the only chords you need on the song. One other thing I wanted to mention is that the song originally has a modulation in it that takes it up a half step. I have tweaked it so the whole thing stays in one key, and that key is the key of D. The original is in the key of E flat, but this makes everything the same in the key of D all the way throughout. Now let's talk about strumming. There are two things you can try to do. You can try to pick, and if you're going to pick, I often suggest, if you watch this channel, I often suggest picking the 4th string, 2nd string, and the 1st string at the same time, like a claw machine. And then you can pick any other strings you want to. So I would pluck all 3 strings, give it a rest for a second, and then play whatever strings else you wanted to go. Doesn't matter what order you go in. But that's one thing you can do, is try to pluck all 3 and then fill in the space along with the guitar player in the song who's really playing a true picking pattern with all 6 strings. The other thing that you might want to try doing is a strum with your finger, and this will fit in some places in the song. Maybe you want to try all the way through, where you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, a strumming is just, you have one finger generally. You can also use your thumb, but the Hawaiians will all teach one finger. And you point at you and you point at the floor, and the motion is mostly in your wrist, like turning a doorknob. And notice where I'm hitting the ukulele. It's not in the heart shape. I'm not playing over there. I'm playing up here where the body meets the neck. Now let me just take a second, since this is a short video, to show you that same thing on DGBE baritone ukulele. The same concept is you can pick strings 4, 2, and 1, and then pick anything else that works. You can go any order that you want, but I always start off with every measure. Pick anything else you want. Or if you want to do the other strumming pattern, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And with that, that's all you really need to know to be successful on The Gambler by Kenny Rogers. Thanks for watching the video. We'll have more content for you soon.